Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if you're looking to dive into crypto trading, you might have come across BingX, but is it the right platform for you? Today we'll dig into what BingX offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Whether you're just starting with crypto or you're comparing different exchanges, it's important to understand not only the features, but also the possible risks, fees, and overall user experience before signing up. BingX is a crypto trading platform that combines spot and derivatives trading, aiming to cater to both novice and experienced traders. Spot trading is generally where you buy and sell crypto directly, while derivatives trading allows users to trade based on price movements without necessarily owning the asset itself. Right off the bat, the user interface feels quite modern and intuitive, which is a plus for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. A clean layout can make a big difference, especially when you're trying to place trades, check charts, manage your balance, or understand where your money is going. The platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to trade popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as many altcoins. This gives users more flexibility if they want to explore beyond the most common coins and build a more diverse trading approach. One standout feature is its social trading aspects, where users can follow and copy the trades of successful traders. This could be a game changer for those who are new to trading or don't have the time to analyze the market. For example, instead of studying charts for hours, a beginner may choose to follow a more experienced trader and learn from their strategy. But it's still important to remember that copying trades does not remove risk, because even experienced traders can lose money. However, I did notice some areas that feel a bit vague, especially regarding their fee structure and withdrawal limits. It's not immediately clear what you'll be paying in terms of trading fees, and that might leave some potential users feeling uncertain. This matters because trading costs, withdrawal charges, and funding fees can affect your overall profit, especially if you're trading frequently. Before using any platform seriously, it's a good idea to check the fee page, withdrawal rules, and any limits that may apply to your account or region. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, BingX offers a user-friendly interface and the social trading feature, which can be really beneficial for newbies. The range of supported cryptocurrencies is also impressive, giving users plenty of options. For beginners, the biggest advantage is that the platform does not feel too intimidating at first, and the copy trading feature can help users observe how more experienced traders approach the market. For active users, having multiple coins and trading options in one place can also make portfolio management more convenient. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The lack of transparency around fees is concerning, as it can lead to unexpected costs when trading. Additionally, while the platform is geared towards beginners, seasoned traders might find it lacking in advanced trading tools and analytics. Also, some users have reported occasional performance issues during high-traffic periods, which could be frustrating when trying to execute trades quickly. In fast-moving crypto markets, even a small delay can affect your entry or exit price, so platform stability is an important factor to think about. So who should consider BingX? If you're new to crypto trading and want an easy-to-use platform with social trading features, it might be worth a shot. However, if you're an experienced trader looking for advanced tools and clear fee structures, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a solid starting point, but with some room for improvement. My advice would be to start small, test the platform first, understand the fees, and never rely only on copy trading without doing your own research.